Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, I know I was a bit off on YouTube right now and I was occupied in certain stuff, and that's why I wasn't able to do a review video. But today I am back with another review video, and the product that I'm going to review today is this Via Naturals 10% niacinamide serum. Via Naturals came out with their new launch of, like, they already had their 5% niacinamide and then came out with their 10% niacinamide serum, and this is what it is. And I have been using it for more than a month, and now I'm ready to give a review of this product. So if you're interested, then keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it means a hell lot to me. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before starting the video, let me tell you that this product has been sent to me by Via Naturals, and I'm really grateful to them. So a big shout out to them. Yes. And now that doesn't mean that if they have sent me, then I'll, my reviews will be alterated. No, it is my genuine raw review. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So now, before reviewing the product, let's just talk about niacinamide. I have already, told it what is niacinamide in my previous video, but still, to give a summary of it, niacinamide is one of those ingredients that is well tolerated by all the skin types, okay? And it is even suitable for sensitive skin type people. And it is like ingredient which does everything, like from reducing your dark spots, blemishes, pigmentation, acne, textured skin, giving you glow, everything that you need. If the only solution to all these things is niacinamide, you just need to be constant with it for a longer period of time. You just need to use it for a longer period of time, and this is one of the ingredients that your skin will love, that you will love, and it is just a great ingredient. Okay, so now coming to the product, this is the Via Naturals vitamin B3 serum, 10% niacinamide with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera and rosemary. Okay, you get 30 ml of the product for rupees 695, but you can easily get it for like 500 bucks online, because there are so many discounts going on. So now coming to its ingredients, it says it has purified water, then it has niacinamide, which is the second ingredient, then aloe vera, then propandiol, glycerine, corn extract, sugar from corn extract, rosemary oil. Okay, this product contains rosemary oil, and their 5% niacinamide contained rosemary leaf extract. Okay, so that's the difference. It has rosemary oil, not the rosemary leaf extract. This is what I think it is. Then it has sodium hyaluronate and all of the good things. And this is the thing that I have already told you that I love about the company, that they write the ingredients in such an easy language that it is easily understandable, and you don't need to be like, oh no, what is this, there's no confusion in it. Okay, so you can easily understand it. So, and it is like, it has no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, no mineral oil, no artificial color, and it is proudly made in India, which is a great thing. Okay, so this is what the product is. Okay, so now opening the product, this is what the product looks like from inside. Okay, so it comes in this bottle, pump bottle. It looks similar to their 5% niacinamide. It looks way similar to it, right? And it is also water based, of course, and you just need one pump of it, or 1.5 pump, and that's enough. Okay, and it is water soluble, so you need to apply a moisturizer on top of it, otherwise your skin will feel dry. So make sure you do that. And this is the texture of it. When you massage it thoroughly, this will get absorbed into your skin, and nothing will be left, which is the best thing, especially for summers. You don't want anything that would that your skin would feel that there's something on your skin. You don't want that. So that for that reason it is great. So as you can see, it has completely absorbed into my skin, and now nothing is left on my skin. Because it is water soluble, water based serum, you need to top it with a moisturizer, or else or else your skin will feel dry. So make sure you do that. So yeah, this is it. Now, coming to my experience, let's just talk about my experience. As I have said, I have already, used the serum for more than a month, and I know how it worked on my skin and everything. So now let's just see my experience.
So as you can see, there is a lot of acne scarring on my face right now, and I'm breaking out really bad. And this is the new one over here, and I also have a lot of pigmentation around my mouth, which is kind of weird. I don't know why. And these days my skin is not looking good, and it's also dull, as you can see. So yeah, it is the condition. So as you can see, the acne scarrings are still there, but it is kind of, lightened up. And this one over here, it has completely gone, and the pigmentation around the mouth has quite reduced a lot, and that is what I'm loving. And I'm also kind of having an even toned skin, which is I'm enjoying these days, and I know if I use it for a longer period of time, it will do amazing work. So yeah. So my final verdict about the product is that it is an amazing product, and use this 10% niacinamide serum only when you have major acne issues or hyperpigmentation, like you have major skin concerns, then only, or otherwise 5% will do the job. And I have used their 5% niacinamide and also their 10% niacinamide. Both are really good. It just depends on the needs of your skin, what you want to use and what not. And if you are using this 10% niacinamide, make sure you moisturize really very well, because it was kind of making my skin dry, so which is a concern for me. So yes, make sure you are moisturizing your skin really good. And I was using it just once a day. I was not going overboard with it. So it's very safe to use 5% niacinamide, but if you want to use this 10%, you can. It is also safe, but make sure that you use it in a right way. So yeah, overall it is a great product and I loved it. Thanks for watching. Bye.